soft as silk. You taste like raisins in the pudding, sweet soft bugs I'm chewing, stuck between my teeth, curling the toes on my feet. You're so sweet, so I take you to the movies and then back to my house to sleep. You wear a used Pieces you tied back when we made love, now slipped away where they loyally wait. When you're old, gray and diseased, I'll still have parts of your young body, the one you lived in when you loved me. The rest of you now decomposing. I've been collecting pieces of your hair to tuck away in the locket that I wear, the pretty strands that grew in your youth, pieces that I'll always hold on to. One day you'll be dead and embalmed, but bits of you will be existing on the pretty strands that grew in your youth, pieces that I'll always hold on to. Anywhere I go, I'm gonna take you with me. Pennsylvania, Arkansas, Texas, and Kentucky. Buy a little trailer big enough for just you and me. Stay up watching Golden Girls and I Love Lucy. Cuddling in bed, I kiss and rub your belly. Listen to you snort and wheeze and whine in your sleep. Greeted with wet kisses in the early morning. Always fall asleep to the song of your snoring. And I don't know what I did before the day I met you. And I don't know what I'd do if I ever lost you. Anywhere you go is the place I'll call my home. Painting welcome signs and growing flowers in the lawn. Eating junk and watching trash till the break of the dawn. A gentleman you are, always take me on long walks. A great big appetite like men who know how to eat. Slurping the same noodle when we share spaghetti. Eating peanut butter, dip the spoons in the jar. Buy a box of donuts glazed in icing sugar. And I don't know what I did before the day I met you. And I don't know what I'd do if I ever lost you. You're the lumpiest, squishiest, fattest little thing. You're the sweetest little, got my double chin, baby. You're the only man I want and the only man I need. You're the only man I dream of late at night when I sleep. You're the cutest pug, the kind I spent my whole